Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. For those of you that are new, welcome to the Twilight Stitcher. My name is Renata, and for those of you that have been following me for the past 5 years, thank you so much. Welcome to another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful top which I'm wearing. It is from the Friday Pattern Company. I am also going to review the fabric, which is so beautiful, from Minerva. So this has been gifted to me, and I'm going to share my thoughts on both with you guys in the next clip. So just join me over in the next one. I think that this is going to be a quick video, and the 360 will be more inviting and just more of a visual. I'm sure most of you all have seen this already, but I love sharing my 360 on any pattern. So first of all, this fabric is beautiful. The recovery is beautiful. It is a jersey knit from Minerva. I will leave everything that you guys need to know about the fabric in the description box, as well as anything that I share with you. You will always find that info down below. The color is beautiful. I know that they had two shades when I got this. One was more of a lilac, and as you can see, this is more of a blue sort of shade. There is pretty butterflies in here. Some people don't really like big bold prints like that. I am pretty versatile. I'm flexible with my prints and the size of them and the colors. I am willing to try anything when it comes to fabric. Sometimes a little more outrageous than others, but when I boil down it, that's not what I want to say. When you boil it down, I don't mind wearing a bright color here and there. Over the years, I have since kind of tamed, more refined and polished my color scheme a little bit more. I'm more on the neutral side of things, but there are times when I find that every now and again I want to just put a little pop of color in my wardrobe. So something that is bold like these prints, the butterflies are a little bit larger, so you have to figure out, well, what's the best pattern you'd like to use this sort of fabric for. You want to be able to showcase the butterflies in a beautiful way. They are a focal point, so you don't really want to have them on your bust area or anything like that. You just really want to know where you want to place that. So those are some things to consider when using a fabric such as this. I like the fabric. There's nothing wrong with it. It's beautiful. Like I said, the recovery is great. I like when you have a fabric and you pull it, it just comes back to where it needs to be. That shows me that it's of good quality and that I know my fabric will last for years to come when I'm washing it. Like all my handmade projects, I tend to wash them on gentle because I don't want any fraying or any harsh movements in my washer to just compromise any of my stitching. So that's one thing I always do when I have handmade fabric. Did I say when I have handmade fabric? Well, I mean when I sew any of my handmade projects, washing them definitely has to be a consideration of where you'd like to, of the cycle you'd like to wash them on, because you don't want to end them. The washer is very bad. If you can't wash them by hand, please do it on a gentle cycle. That's how I do mine. Anyway, now this design, the design of this blouse is beautiful. Making this top took less than an hour. It was super quick. There is just 2 pieces to this pattern. Yes, I love it. I should have made more of this, but I don't know what I was thinking. Where was I? I must have been under some kind of rock or something. This top is so versatile. You can use any sort of color with this. You can go solid, you can go ditzy print, you can go large print, you can even color block, you can change the sleeve, you can put a cuff on this and make it really beautiful. It's a very versatile pattern, and the instructions are simple. It was my first time sewing any project from that pattern company, and I can't wait to try my second pattern that I purchased from them. So I'm looking forward to making that and sharing it with you. Here now, I'm going to sit back and let you guys enjoy some beautiful music while you guys get a nice look of the 360 of this blouse.
Son of a southern man, daughter of a free man, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candlelight, stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but even his father ain't never gonna do her no harm. And whiskey on his breath, they were scared to death, and he was meaner than the devil himself. It was him or them, and you can call it a sin, but the Roanoke River won't tell. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight.
There you have it. What do you guys think? I enjoyed making this top, wearing this top, sharing it with you. The photo shoot was amazing. I had so much fun doing it. I should have worn skinny jeans. I think skinny jeans just would have really tied the look together, especially with the shoes. I think the skinny jeans would be a better pairing. So that's the only thing I just didn't like. I am so excited to bring more content like this. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow the Twilight Stitcher on Instagram. Don't forget to share with your friends and your relatives if you think that this content is something that will inspire them. I would love to also hear your comments down below. I'll try my best to respond. Until we see each other again, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.